Developing a positive mindset involves cultivating habits and practices that shift your focus towards optimism, resilience, and gratitude. Here are 5 things you can do today to start developing and cultivating a positive mindset. Number 1, embrace challenges as opportunities. Adopt a growth mindset that sees obstacles as opportunities for growth and learning. Reframe setbacks and challenges as learning experiences. Change your perspective of failure. Instead of viewing failure as a negative outcome, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Failure is a necessary ingredient in your success recipe. Failure is part of this journey called life, and there is no shame in failing. Number 2, be careful how you compare yourself to others. When we compare ourselves with others, we tend to feel inadequate and despair. Yes, you want to be inspired by the success of others, but there is a level of comparison that is unhealthy, especially if it causes you to beat yourself up or feel unworthy. Remember, people post their best moments on social media, which is an incomplete representation of their everyday life. No one's life is all roses. Like all of us, everyone experiences challenges and failure in life, but you rarely see that posted on social media. Because you don't know people's lives in detail, you may find yourself comparing your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 100 and get discouraged. You may want to start comparing yourself to you yesterday. And if you are winning that comparison, then you are making progress in your life and will eventually become successful. Number 3, focus on you and ignore what others think or say about you. Here is the thing. You can't control what people think or say about you. So stop worrying about other people's opinions of you. Don't let other people's opinions of you define you or become your own reality. Mind your own business. When you worry about what other people think or say about you, you invite negative thoughts into your life. Instead, focus on you and your own progress and tune out all the outside noise. Number 4, focus on the present. Dwelling on past mistakes and failures or worrying about the future can steal your joy. So focus on how you can be better today. With regards to worrying about the future, it's wiser to focus on the process rather than the outcome. When you focus on the process, you relieve yourself from the pressure of attaining the desired goal. Concentrating on the process will help you stay motivated and focused. Number 5, practice self-compassion. No one is perfect, so give yourself some grace. We all make mistakes and face setbacks. So be kind to yourself, forgive yourself, and learn from your experiences. Focus on growth and not perfection. Beating yourself up is unhelpful and will only bring negativity into your life. Remember, developing a positive mindset is a journey that involves consistent effort and self-awareness to cultivate habits that foster positivity and resilience in the face of life's challenges. So go out there and be great. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.